Gates open, they're up and racing. Darlinghurst draws for your lead. Moving up in between runners is Lovable Princess. Pride of Cabanela is on the outside. Then next in line, Security Check. The Surgeon is on the outside. Moving up is Solar Power. Then by the rail is entry number 9, Ian's Melody. Rounding at the last 450. Darlinghurst still leading the field. Pride of Cabanela is on the outside. Racing in third is Lovable Princess, the Surgeon. With the last 200 meters more to run. Darlinghurst running on the outside. Pride of Cabanela, and on the outside Lovable Princess with 150 to go. Darlinghurst by the rail. Pride of Cabanela is on the outside. Lovable Princess, and leading the finish line, Pride of Cabanela doing the better over Darlinghurst. Then comes Lovable Princess, number 1, Lord of the Sun, Ian's Melody, and